this is BTA16, your main source for Skylanders, Swap Force, Knack, Watch Dogs, Thief, you know, the series I'm playing. And today we are playing Skylanders, Swap Force, our other co-op series. We'll have Knack soon.
Oh yeah.
And okay, I gotta tell you something.
Only a swap Skylander with the rocket ability can activate this swap zone.
I tried to make like do a thing where on the intro of this video there was supposed to be like a song where it's like all the games I'm playing right now, but like with Pompey. I don't know how to say it. I think it's called Pompey. Yeah, but by Steely or something. I can't remember. Oh yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, it's very cool. It's cool. Oh yeah. I think what I remember is that I was talking about.
You have to talk louder, dude.
I was talking about that. I think it was on this level that we were talking about my guy's doing better or something like that. I don't remember, but it was something like that.
Oh yeah, we were gonna have a Skylanders tournament.
Yeah.
I don't remember now. Wait, come over here. There you go. No pushing.
Ooh.
Wait, there's someone who's still alive.
You can get him.
I don't know where he is. Wait, not yet. No.
Okay.
No, get out.
Okay.
Not yet. No. You need to kill the guy first. You don't want him to hurt us while we're getting it.
Oh no, sorry. Oh no.
Where is he?
Here, let me get him.
No, I got him.
Where is he? Oh, it's. I don't think it's. Ow. That's so
There
good.
you go. What's that?
Who's shooting at? Must be the ghost wizard. Even higher level than you do.
What, you got problems?
Me?
No. I'm gonna get the treasure chest before you.
Dude, none of us need it. None of us need it. All of us.
I'm gonna check if I die there. No! Excuse me. Not yet, don't. Dude, no! That's mine! Take it off!
Okay.
Dude.
Oh my god.
My god. I am gonna pick my new guy. Final swap force. No, the final guy who came out.
Oh, okay.
Oh. Okay. Yeah, it's player one. Yeah, it was right.
Yo, dude.
Okay.
I was saying,
I think he needs money.
no, he needs those 2 pathways, remember?
Yeah. Get money for it.
Oh, okay.
He's gonna get money for Spiral. Which I'm gonna get money for all of them. After I'm done with this series, I'm still gonna play it. I'm gonna like redo the levels.
Brace for impact.
I need more of the money.
Why you?
Cause I just came here.
Oh yeah, true. Oh, I thought for a moment I thought.
I'm level 1.
Does he go for 1?
Yeah, dude. I just brought him in.
Oh,
I haven't. It's my first time playing with him.
Oh, we're all bogged down at this gate.
Okay.
Maybe you can find a wee something to help us out.
It's not something like gate, like gate.
Okay. Have we done this? No.
Nah. I'm so sad. We're both scared.
Wait, let me kill some guys.
Okay, Mom.
The Skylanders of the Earth element are stronger in this zone.
No, taxi. Come on, let's go.
Oh. I keep thinking I'm like right there.
Let's get to the... They're dumping us. I'm a level 2 wizard. Wait, no, he's mine.
My guy's right there.
I only need one more to get to level 3. You jerk. Yeah, Dad.
Hey, back off. Look at the huge sledgehammer.
Look at us. It's a shiny thingy.
What's that? That's me.
No. You go. Do it. No. You jerk. You big jerk. He's my golem.
Okay.
I'm a level 3 now. I'm a level 4 now. You level really fast, dude. Like, we level up really fast.
Hey, what's over here? Is something over here or no?
No. It's just a little area.
Uh,
Is that one of the enemies right there?
Oh,
Dude,
damn.
we were right there.
No, I'm sorry.
Now we have to wait till go all the way around.
Okay, I'm okay. Why did you do that?
Oh, but I have to come with you, don't I?
Oh my god!
We didn't jump again.
The third time in a row.
No. Why? I told my mom I would just jump in the corner.
and look at that, it happened.
Look, it's all the way over there. Yes, it's coming for us.
Beep beep.
Do it. I'm going. Don't fall.
Let's check it out.
Look at the wings sapphire. I don't get
Oh yeah, in the new game, there's gonna
Oh, yeah.
Persephone is gonna come back.
Yeah, and she has a playground. Well, put on the playground.
I know.
I like
So cool. No, we don't have to go there. Remember, we can just jump off. Well, not jump off though.
I
Well,
did.
but, you know.
Why? Why don't start?
And that might be the last. I don't know if I'm gonna get Skylanders trapped into the PlayStation or Wii U. I don't know. Because I was looking for the like the Wii U version with like the exclusive guys. I said exclusive.
Dude, what the heck? What's that word? Is
I
that
couldn't
a word?
talk.
Is that a word?
Wait for me.
Okay, wait for you.
Hey, who's got the third key?
And look, us too.
Who has the third?
I do. You do.
To victory! You thought I was gonna fall, didn't you?
Not really. Where the heck am I? I can't see.
I'm about to die.
Okay, come on. Oh, let's hold it. Let's hold it.
Hot, so cold.
You like those, don't you?
No, you did. You have to do the salt that you do. You're not doing the salt set.
Oh no. Oh, really?
I should have thought of that.
So why didn't you do any work?
Yeah, give me that money.
This a van.
You say green?
Green.
Oh, I thought They said grain. I'm like, that's stupid. A grain's like $1. I'm kidding. No, it's like a cent worth. I feel like I'm frozen right now. Like the way I look. Okay. Chompy, chompy, chompy. I'm a level 5 lizard and I can even shadow it. Hey, you can handle him. He's mine now. Well, I got the credit. No, I'll make it! Yes, I did make it. Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
Wait, is that your key or? That's your key. I get the second key.
Okay, I'll wait here. I get the third. Where are you going? What the heck is he going? Okay. That's 3 keys, right?
Yeah.
So wait.
I'm getting money.
Yeah?
I got some good apple pie.
It's cool that this game shares food.
Yeah, I like that.
Yeah.
Like before we had to fight for it, remember?
Yeah,
Like,
I hated that. We already got it. Oh, you shit, wow.
never get these guys. Oh, a bird.
Hello,
Oh my god, a rock.
And we're gonna go on a roller coaster. You feel like a little girl. No, man. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Try out the enemies in the mine.
That's good apple slice. Good apple pies. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's a guy. Tourist! Tourist!
No, I hate tourists.
No! No! No. That is just wrong. In 10 ways. Way 1, you're a tourist. Way 2, you're a tourist. And way 3, you're a tourist. The other...
Dude, get the... I'll get the... Ah, thanks.
That hurt.
Yeah, we didn't get it.
Oh, I thought you were gonna get it.
We were both trying to get it.
Tourist!
No! Ah!
You almost didn't make that. I forgot if I'm blue or orange, that's why.
Yeah, I get confused like that.
Sorry, I wish it just hurt the ship. I wish it didn't hurt us.
Yeah. Oh, if you want to see this, here's a picture. And you're shooting the ship.
Imagine you actually broke down the ship, and they were just like...
Hey! Oh!
Yeah.
It is.
Oh. Usually I find those. Like, usually that's the most thing they find.
What, a treasure chest?
No, story scroll.
Oh, yeah. Oh! God, you can cry.
I like her. Look at her.
His whole size 10.
I'm gonna catch it. You dumb face up, Smurfit.
Just shake it, and I'll show you the way to the
Just
ancient.
shake that.
Take your boo face.
The ancient is in the Frostfest Mountains. That snow globe will show you the exact location. We'll see you back at White Barrel, friends.
Yeah, but we won't do it on the... Yeah, we won't show you. So, yeah, that's it, guys. So, that's the end of the video. Please subscribe if you are new to this channel. And hit that like button, even though you don't. I don't care, I just want one like. One freaking like. Okay, bye.